Hello guys! We are in a Halloween party. We are celebrating the Halloween day. You want to celebrate with us? Yes, we are having so much fun, but I'm very hungry. Wow, yes. What about if we make a Halloween recipe? Are you ready? Yes, but maybe let me see over here. I need a cook hat. How am I? I'm nice? Right. And I need an apron. Let me put it on. Nice, so we're ready to make our recipe. Let's go, come on. Hello again, guys. I'm going to show you our friend Ellie. Ellie is a cook like me. He's wearing a hat, very nice hat, Ellie, and an apron. And he's going to help us making the recipe. Are you ready to do it? Yes, so come with us. Hello again. Okay, so here we have all the ingredients for our Halloween recipe. Let's see what we need. We need a glass. We need a piece of cake. We need Oreo biscuits. We also need a Ziploc bag. We need rectangle biscuits, Halloween sweets, and icing tube. Okay, in this case we have a red icing tube. Alright, so let's start. We have to get a piece of cake and we need to put it in the glass. Okay, so let's do it. Here we have our glass with a piece of cake. Now we have to put all the Oreo biscuits in the Ziploc bag. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's close the Ziploc bag and we have to mush. Okay, so we have to smush the biscuits. And when we have it ready, can you see? We have to open the Ziploc bag. And we have to add the pieces of Oreo biscuits in the glass. Can you see? Okay, we are ready. Now we need the rectangle biscuit and we have to write with the icing tube a terrifying word. And when we have it, this biscuit is simulating a gravestone. Look at this rib. We have to put it in the glass. And when we finish with this, we have to put the Halloween sweets in too. Oh my, can you see this terrifying recipe? Oh, now let's try, let's taste it. Are you ready? Come on. Okay guys, so here we have our Halloween recipe. I'm very, very hungry, but if you want it to be very, very yummy, you can put it 10 minutes in the fridge. Okay, you can put it 10 minutes in the fridge. Okay, but I'm going to taste it. I'm very hungry. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.